Hey guys, welcome to PED 110. I'm your instructor for this semester. My name is Billy Struther. I've been teaching PED now. This will be year 6 for me, but I've been teaching since 2000. So I've been doing this a while, and I really enjoy teaching this class because now I'm a principal, so I don't get to teach on a daily basis. So this kind of gives me my teaching fix. I think once you're a teacher, you're always a teacher, and so this allows me to continue with my passion in that arena. So quickly to go through our course and what the expectations will be. For one, this is different than a lot of your college classes because this course really deals with everyday life. So in this class we're going to be talking about nutrition, weight control, stress management, and consumer facts. But even more importantly, I hope you develop the understanding that there's a holistic approach to wellness. It's not just about diet and nutrition and weight control, but it's about taking care of ourselves spiritually, mentally, emotionally, certainly physically. And so there's many different components that go into being well. And so we're not just talking about fit when it comes to this class. And so I really hope that's a big takeaway for you, in particular when we get into chapter 1, because it really talks about all the domains of wellness. With that being said, the very first thing that you need to do as an online student is complete this enrollment verification assignment. And so let me backtrack there. Please understand that this is an online course. This is the first semester it's been offered entirely online, and so it's very important that you, for one, understand that, and understand that all assignments will be assigned and collected on Moodle. So we will not meet face to face at all this semester. And before you can access any other of the course assignments, you must complete this enrollment verification activity. Okay, and then you'll find that I'm pretty much a creature of habit. So each week I'm going to provide you with an introduction video for that chapter that we're working on. And so right now this introduction video is just talking about the general overview of the course, but each week I'll go over just a little bit of content and tell you what my expectations for the course are. Please review the course syllabus when you open the syllabus, and I click on it very quickly. I won't read it for you though, because you can certainly read yourself. But the key highlights in a course syllabus is understand grading, which is consistent throughout the college in terms of our grading practices and the grading breakdown, but also understand the attendance policy. And so the way attendance works for online course is that you must participate and submit to the online class weekly. Failure to do so results in a absence. So with that being said, let me backtrack here. Forgive me, I got sidetracked. With that being said, your due date this week will be August 27th. So we start on a Thursday, and your first week of assignments is due that following Monday. So we start on the 23rd, and all of these assignments are due on August 27th. So it's a short week, so you really don't have a lot to complete, so to speak. But if you don't complete the activities before August 27th, that would be an absence for that previous week, okay? Or for that week from August 23rd to August 27th. And so a lot of times the assignments will simply be you clicking on a link and reading something that's very important for this class, like gym etiquette. I actually have a couple links of gym etiquette. It's very important that when you go to the gym, if you go to the gym, that you know kind of the proper way of doing things, the social etiquette in the gym. Then next you will find our course introduction section. Okay, so in here again you simply click on this link and you watch this short video, try something new for 30 days. And the concept there is usually if you can do something for 30 days, then you know, it makes you more well-rounded. But also if you find something through this kind of experiment where you're trying something new, then maybe it helps you just form a habit. You know, so if you stick to something for 30 days, then it would likely become a habit and something that becomes part of your daily routine. Okay, so again with this week, then you'll also simply double click here on this Padlet, and it's important that we get to know each other because we won't get to spend time face to face. And so it's very important that you just tell me a little bit about you. You can include a picture. It's nice to be able to put a face with a name for these online classes because again we don't get to see each other. And just help me understand things that you enjoy. Okay, you say a brief description of here about me and the things that I enjoy and kind of my hobbies and interests. Okay, and that's it for this first week. So I realize it's a short week, so I've kept the activity short for you. So again, a recap. You must complete this. If you do not complete this, then you'll be dropped from the course. Okay, so that's a college mandate. You're watching this video now. You'll take time to read through the course syllabus, being sure to pay attention to the grading and attendance policies. You'll click on all of these links that become available to you once you complete the enrollment verification activity. You'll watch the video by Matt Cutts, and then you'll introduce yourself to the class, and that's it for week 1. So pretty simple. And then, without going into detail, but just so you have understanding, that next week we hop right into our textbook, Understanding Fitness and Wellness with Chapter 1. Each week you'll have a PowerPoint, a quiz to complete, and a physical activity monitoring report to submit, but I'll go into those details in that video introduction for that week. Alright guys, it's going to be a great semester. I promise you this is going to be one of the most enjoyable classes that you have in college, and honestly it will be one of the most impactful because we've discussed things such as behavior modification. That is us identifying behaviors that we need to either increase and do more of, or eliminate and say it may not be the best choice for me. I need to find out a way to eliminate that from my life. So behavior modification, and again a focus on just overall wellness, not just health and fitness. Okay guys, I've rambled on long enough. It's going to be a great semester. I'm here for you if you need me. Emails, the best way to contact me, and you'll find that I reply pretty quickly. Take care, and let's have a great semester.